students, today our book is The Science Factor of class 4, and this is not our first lecture. We have completed our previous lecture about the lungs, what the lungs do, and today our topic is about intestine. So let's start our today's lecture. Your intestine are part of your digestive system. Yes, digestive system means the system from which we can digest our food. Okay, used over food, and the remaining food which we don't need goes out of our body. They help to digest the food you eat and get rid of food that your body doesn't need. Okay, they help us to digest the food that we can eat, and the remaining food which we don't need, they can get out that food from our body. Okay, there are two intestines. One is known as the large and the other as the small. Okay, there are two intestines in our body. The one intestine is the large intestine, and the second is the small intestine. The intestines are like tubes or hoses, and they are collide up to fit inside your body. Okay, intestines are just like tubes. As we can see a tubes, that the tubes are so small, and their length is increased but their width is so small. Okay, this we can call, this is our intestine. Okay, intestine, the food which we can eat first go and into digestive system, and intestine, is over part of our digestive system. In intestine, the food get crashed, means change into a small particles, and the food which, there are some chemicals and the reactions which can occur in intestine, which help food to get our energy, and the remaining food get out of the intestine and then from our body. One of the intensive one of the intestines can be 6 meters long in an adult. The other one is about 1 meter long. Okay, as we can I can tell you in the first paragraph that there are two intestines. The first intestine's length is 6 meters. Okay, and the second is 1 meter long. As the large intestine is large, as its length is larger, and the small intestine's length is smaller. Can you guess which one is the large intestine, the 6 meter long or the 1 meter long one? Yes, we have to tell that which intestine is larger. Is 6, we can give them a two names, a large intestine and a small intestine. Now we have to tell that there are the lengths, they can given us a length, two lengths, 6 meters and 1 meter. Now we have to tell that which length is the length of large intestine and which length is the length of small intestine. See the answer on the next page. They can say that you have to see the answer in the next page. So let's move to next page. So this is our next page. We can read this paragraph later, but first of all I have to tell you the answer of that question which they can ask in the previous page. Which intestine, the 6 meter intestine, is large or small? The intestine that is 6 meter long is the small intestine. Oh, I am wrong. The intestine which whose size is 6 meter is small intestine. The intestine that is 1 meter long is the large intestine. Okay, I have tell you that the small intestine is larger and the large is smaller. Okay, the 6 meter intestine is the we can call it a small intestine. Okay, and the intestine whose length is 1 meter, we can call it a large intestine. Why do you think this is so? Why do you think why the length of small intestine is larger and the length of large intestine is smaller? It is because the large intestine is a lot wider than the small intestine. Yes, this is the reason behind these lengths and the names of these intestines. Now the human intestine. The intestines take food from your stomach and transport waste food to your anus, then it leaves your body. As the food travels along the intestine, it is broken down so that it is easily to get rid of. Yes, as I can tell you in my next previous page, that the intestine help food to crush in small pieces. Then there is some juices and chemicals which react with the food, so we can use a food for energy purpose and for the purpose of our work. The other food which we don't need get out of our body. Okay, this waste from the anus. This is intestine, so this is a large intestine, this is small intestine. As you see, the large intestine's length is smaller, but the small intestine's length is larger. The small intestine length is larger. Okay, as because this is its width is so small, and they are larger, they are smaller, and the waste material goes out from the body with the help of anus. Today's question is, describe your intestines and explain the work that they do. Yes, you have to describe, make a picture of intestine, then label it, and then tell that what the work intestine do. This is your creative, this is your assignment. You have to do it on your pages, rough pages or a white pages. Okay, I can see you in my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.